Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. I wish I was feeling a little bit better right now, not feeling too hot, but wanted to give you guys all an update here on Bitcoin as per usual. So right now we got some a few trend lines people are watching, outlined them here. This one we clearly broke out. If we come back down and retest it, maybe have a chance to dip by it again. Then you have this trend line down here. Everyone's looking at it as well, around 109. Again, I still think Bitcoin could get up to like 110, 112. Maybe you can get a rejection there. But you could easily pull back from these levels right here, right now, right? You're in some sort of short area, potentially for another low. There's a lot of people watching the chart right now. They're like a little bit worried about their shorts too, right? I'm guessing they start shorting at the lows like James Wynn. So if you get something like this right now, which could be an impulse, it could make the case that you're going to get a larger corrective move higher, which would be some sort of A, B, and a C. And we never really came back and retest the high of that range. So it wouldn't surprise me if tomorrow you dip down early in some sort of flat. Either it's a flat or it's just another three-wave move, and then you go back up, right? And you maybe do a fake breakout and then come back down, but who knows? We don't really know the future. So as of now, we are currently still long from a Bitcoin, position at 100,000. So if you guys missed a trade, you join the Discord, you'll catch these entries like here, like I post all the time. We closed this Ethereum trade, 43% winner. Held it for a couple of days, and yeah, so basically, like you can see here, an entry at 100,000, and now we're just sitting pretty, right? We have a lot of breathing room. We're still long from the lows, even though I think it is maybe gonna come down and dip. It doesn't mean that I'm all out for the move, and I think that we're gonna come crashing down. No, not at all. In fact, I think it would be another setup for another high. Right, so that's basically all I'm saying here is I'm still bullish. Now we're getting some pretty good signals here on the 2-day and the daily. So the 2 days printing a green dot. The daily time frame is also printing some pretty bullish dual band strength index signals. The 4-hour time frame is bullish with a green dot. Green money flow coming in. 1-hour time frame also looking pretty decent with green money flow continuing to increase. I've taken full disclosure. I like to talk about some of my trades right now. I've taken a short on Ethereum just because it's a short area, possible short area. If you are looking for this to extend lower, then you have probably your first wave and then some sort of B and then a C, right? And then for that to work, you would have to be placing this essentially inside of a connector, right? Or like a corrective wave, and that's your short area. Now we got a rejection initially, we got another one right now. We did not take out the high here, so it begs the question, is this a corrective move and we're gonna dump down soon, right? What's gonna happen? What's the $1 million play here? And the markets are a little bit choppy at the moment, but I expect it to maybe go a little bit higher again still. So yeah, that kind of wraps it up. If you guys want to get access to my trades and see what I'm doing inside the Discord, you can join all the members. Again, you get probably some of the better analysis out there, just in my opinion. If I was not biased, I just look at the track record, right? Versus somebody who's always posting their profits and never their losses and not publicly disclosed on any website. Just say, look at my feed, look at my timeline, but obviously nobody can scroll back 2 years and look at your stuff, right? It's really stupid, those people who do that, and that's probably why they're not good traders. But yeah, they're really famous, right? Like they post a lot of huge wins and it gets people's attentions, but none of them are real, so that's a problem. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, make some really good trades, and I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's update. Peace.